Mobtv.
Hi, this is about the Biafran struggle and agitation from the eastern people of Nigeria. That is Nnamdi Kanu, who has been heralding IPOB, indigenous people of Biafra, since the death of Ojukwu, Uwazuruike the Masob, to a point that Nnamdi Kanu took over and heralded IPOB. And since then, he's been very consistent with it, and he's been crying out and lashing out, saying that he will destroy Nigeria. He calls it the zoo with the truth. And just a few days ago, Nigerian government released a report that Nnamdi Kanu is actually using the killing of Christians against, like, defaming Nigeria in the international community, spending $85,000 monthly to achieve that. So things are not actually really going well, and people are dying in Nigeria as truth. Asari happens to be, let's say, allied to Nnamdi Kanu. In the beginning of this struggle, you could hear Asari make a lot of videos asking people to follow Nnamdi Kanu, that he is the genuine leader that will bring the restoration of the sovereign nation Biafra. To a point, I think Asari was also involved in training the people called the BSS, that is the Biafra Secret Service. And there are a lot of things that went behind the scene that we do not really know in the open. But what is marveling me right now is how Asari Dokubo is coming out in the open to say the things that were done in the secret. You know, when things like this start happening, you start asking questions, and so you started doing some research. I've been able to do a little bit of research pertaining why these things are going this way. How will two brothers who were formidable at some point now break up, and now they're more like fighting each other? Is it a strategy? Is it a way? Or is it that somebody has been compromised? A lot, and Sami is calling Nnamdi Kanu a con artist, a fraudster that has been compromised and all that. But Nnamdi Kanu has always said, if you have given me money to fulfill this struggle, come out and say it. And he has always sworn, and he's been consistent at it, because had even he's been compromised, could have been silenced. I know Nigerian government, you know. So what about Uwazuruike, who is now on the sideline? Even before IPB started, he Uwazuruike seemed compromised allegedly, because things that go around him and how he's been presenting things, or how he was presenting things those days, didn't really come out clean. You know, he went into building houses and building a lot of things, and people could be like, okay, you're amassing this wealth. You know, I don't know if they built the house for him or he actually built it himself. So, but coming to Nnamdi Kanu, we've not seen things like that happen. So we'll be like, where is he taking the money to? If he actually is taking money from people. I'm not holding briefing for Nnamdi Kanu, neither am I holding briefing for Asari, but I'm analyzing the situation that is giving me a personal conviction. Though then now, Asari Dokubo has called me a con artist, and people are coming after him, and Nnamdi Kanu swear that I did not give you 20 million. Now he swore with the Koran.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. Nnamdi Kanu, your followers had challenged me that if I did not collect 20 million from you, I should swear by the Koran. This is a copy of the Koran. And I swore by the Koran, so that you can read. It's not in Arabic, it's in English. You can read. I swore by the Koran that I never collected 20 million from you or from any of your representatives. That I never betrayed any of your members. You sent your members to me. They stayed with me and they left.
And Uwazuruike saw Asari swearing, and Uwazuruike went forth and used the Bible to swear. That is my major issue right now. That is where I'm coming.
Hello, Biafrans. Early this morning, I was going through the social media. I saw my younger brother, Asari Dokubo, swearing with the Quran against the allegation leveled against him by Nnamdi Kanu, that Nnamdi Kanu gave him 20 million naira. So Asari was swearing with the Holy Quran against that allegation. I felt it was novel, and I felt I should do the same thing. and I have come with the Holy Bible. I'm a Christian. All Christians believe in the Holy Bible. Nnamdi Kanu. Since I started this struggle on 13th September 1999, if I have ever contemplated, thought about accepting oil block or money or contract or any other gesture from the federal government, state government, or local government against our struggle for Biafra, may I die a shameful death, both on earth here and thereafter. Number two, if I ever did anything like that, like accepting oil block, contract, appointment from federal government, state government, local government, may I die a shameful death, both here on earth and thereafter. When you were in prison, Nnamdi Kanu, you alleged that I, Uwazuruike, had been contracted by the federal government of Nigeria to cover my face and give evidence against you in court. Nnamdi Kanu, if anything like that ever happened, if anything like that was ever contemplated, if any such discussion was heard, even on phone or in physical, may I die a shameful death, both on earth here and thereafter.
You see this thing called swearing, it doesn't work. I'm telling you. Take it from me. Once we were in secondary school, we'd be like, if I took your sugar, let me fail my WAEC. I did not fail WAEC. I actually took people's sugar. Yes. If you want to say it's stealing, no problem. If I'm the one holding your pen because I need that pen, maybe I'm the one holding you have two, I'm holding one, and you still want that one, I don't have anyone, let me fail my WAEC. I did not fail my WAEC. My WAEC was one sitting. And at times when we swear, I swear, nothing happened after all. Now you say this one is a small, what is pen, what is sugar? Well, let's talk about it in the bigger plane. Talking about Nigerian government, all our politicians, the Christians, they swear with the Bible, and the Muslims, they swear with the Koran. What is the situation of our country? After the whole swearing before the law court, I hold this Bible and I swear, after the swearing, has anyone died? So when you come out to validate truth with just swearing with the Bible or swearing with the Quran, that is not validation. To me, it doesn't work. I don't know about you. I don't know if it works for you. It does not work one jack. So my thought is that when people are dealing with people, they should be sincere. Leave all this swearing thing, or maybe there is something again they used to swear. But as for Bible and Quran, God is a merciful God, and God Allah is also a merciful Father. So that's why the politicians that be looting our money that swore with Bible and Quran, they've not died. They're still alive. They're even enjoying the life more than me and you after the swearing. Now they are rewarded in heaven, but we are suffering here on earth. So you see, God gives hope, long hope and mercy. In fact, after swearing with the Bible, they even go and pray for mercy. I don't know what you think about this swearing, man. Whatever you think, just put down on the comments section below. And hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That's on YouTube. On Facebook, hit the follow button. On Instagram at Mobtv. Put your comment. It is very important to know what you think. Bye for now. My name is Donald Ian Nego.